We can't do the beer review, dude.
Why?
I found this article that's telling me IPAs are causing man boobs, dude.
What?
Come here, let me show you. What does that say?
IPAs are giving you man boobs.
This is from Vice, the most credible source on the internet.
There's no way this is real.
Listen, phytoestrogen content.
What?
These same phytoestrogens, however, can also cause a condition known as brewer's droop. Brewer's droop, dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you read that right. Hops are giving men man boobs.
So you know you can't drink them anymore then, right? You can't have man boobs.
I have an idea.
Where are you going?
Come on, there's no time to waste. We gotta go.
What are you doing?
Don't just stand there, dude. Get all the IPAs.
What are you doing?
Somebody's gotta take responsibility, dude. I got a lot more to go.
I don't understand how this is helping.
You're either gonna help me or not. Go get me a bra. Go get me a bra. Oh my God. Something's happening, dude. Some people ask me why I sacrificed my manly chest to become IPA Man. Somebody's got to do it. Somebody's got to drink all the IPAs before it gives everyone else man boobs. We all got to be remembered for something. And I am IPA Man.